got to remember she didn't have a baby.
Here it comes.
Oh, man.
Hi.
When she got the baby.
Are you ready to see Carly? You are? Come on.
Handsome little boy there.
He's all excited.
Come on, let's go see her. Come here. Let me pick him up so I can video. She's up here in the bed. That's Carly, Gigi.
It's Carly?
Yeah.
She looks just like you.
Here, let's get her closer and you can stand on the bed.
So I can see her.
Give me your toys. Give me your toys.
Can I see her? Right.
That's your little sister. Don't touch it. Don't touch her, Leonard. You can touch her hand.
I can touch her hand.
Yeah.
She's sleeping.
She's toast.
She looks just like you.
She looks kind of like me, huh? I think.
Exactly. Look at the big eyes, the mouth, the nose. It's you.
She's got your nose.
No, she doesn't.
Look, she looks like Gagey.
She looks just like you. Engaged.
You want to give her a kiss? Can you lean over? Oh, oh.
It's okay, Gage.
You got to be really gentle. with
Yeah,
her.
you have to be really careful. You like her?
I like her.
You like her?
She's your little sister. Are you excited?
You want to hold her?
No.
No, don't even.
Well, I mean, you could put her in his lap. It's not like...
It's hurting me just thinking about it. She's sleeping.
Shh. Here, video. I'm going to get her up. Let me pick her up. She's sleeping. Show you. Watch out. Here, sit here in the bed. Sit down all the way. There you go. Here, I'm going to put this pillow here. Yes.
Gosh, are you okay? Please don't do something.
Oh, you gotta take a, she's waking up a little bit. Say hi, Carly.
Hi, Carly.
She's out of mommy's tummy.
Yeah, I'm your big brother.
Is it Carly?
That's your pink baby.
That's my big baby. Is it Carly?
Give her a kiss on her forehead. Aww. Aww. Need to get her? She's cute.
She's so fragile.
Get that out of her face. Here, let's get her. Let's get this over.
You're so
Isn't she cute?
yeah.
She's so tiny.
What's got to you?
A boo-boo because they gave me a shot.
What's that, baby? Oh, it's just so cute. I like her.
You love her?
Yeah, it's Carly.
That's Carly. She was in Mommy's tummy.
Is that Carly?
Yeah.
That's how you look.
You were like that when you were a little baby. What's that noise? You were just like her.
What's that noise? Is the pillow pushing you? Something?
Look at this. You just...
What is that noise?
It's just
It's okay. See, she has black hair. Look at her head. Her little hat. To keep her head warm. She's so tiny. It's Carly. I love her too. She loves you.
Picture.
You can turn it off and then set it on camera.
How do I turn it off?
Just press the button.